Hello everyone, I'm Arkansas Storm Team Meteorologist Alex Libby. In this video, we're talking about our next risk for thunderstorms, and yes, it will come with a severe weather risk, and not just one day. 3 days there is a severe weather risk in parts of Arkansas. So multi-day severe weather risk is what we're talking about. And you can see the first day is going to be Tuesday, but this is really going to be an overnight thing. Late Tuesday night into the early hours of Wednesday morning, there is a severe weather risk in parts of northwest Arkansas. A level 2 out of 5 low risk. So it could be higher, but any risk for severe weather, we need to be paying attention. And that risk expands further south and further east on Wednesday. Look how long that severe weather risk is on Wednesday, all the way from Texas up to the Great Lakes. In Arkansas, we're right in the bullseye of that. So more severe weather possible on Wednesday. And yes, Thursday, another risk for severe weather, mainly for western and southwest Arkansas. All of those risks in the natural state in Arkansas are a level 2 out of 5. So it's higher than a level 1, but still on the lower side. So this is still several days away. We're really just getting an idea of what's going to happen with these storms, and that means the high resolution model data isn't quite out yet. So the exact timing is still a little bit tricky at this point, and so are the exact threats. But this is what the timing as far as we know so far. So Monday, there's a cold front that's going to near Arkansas, but it's not going to make its way through. We're still going to be too dry. Tuesday, we're going to be sunny really most of the day across most of Arkansas. But you can see by 9, 10 o'clock at night, thunderstorms starting to get closer and closer to northwest parts of the state. That's why I said Tuesday's risk is really an overnight and nocturnal risk, Tuesday into Wednesday. Now those storms will start impacting central and southern Arkansas Wednesday afternoon. So I paused it here at 3:30. And then Thursday, yes, another complex of thunderstorms will roll in mainly in the afternoon and evening. And just as the exact timing is kind of tricky to nail down at this point, the threats are a little bit on the trickier side as well. So for now, I'd say be ready for the threat of hail and damaging winds, because this time of year, we have tons of heat and tons of humidity, tons of storm fuel. But what normally is lacking is the wind shear, and that's the changing of wind speed with height across the atmosphere. And wind shear is really what fuels tornadoes. So even though I think with these 3 days of risks, the tornado risk is going to be really on the low side, I cannot rule it out. So we'll likely be tracking a hail and a severe straight line wind risk, but we also may be keeping an eye on some tornado risk on Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday. But we will have more updates. The Arkansas Storm Team is keeping a close eye on this multi-day event, and definitely continue trekking back here for the latest details, especially when that high resolution model data comes out, because when that comes out, that forecast can be a lot more accurate as far as the timing and the threats go.